Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 certified pre-owned GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the AMG line, which is going to give you AMG interior, exterior look, 20-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, night package with black accents on the front, mirror covers, and rear diffuser. Also included is front and rear LED daytime running lights. Chrome package with chrome door handle inserts, black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, anthracite poplar wood trim, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, premium 2 package with active lane keep assist, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE 350 has 12,938 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.